According to the National Commission on Sleep Disorders, 1 in 6 Americans suffer from some degree of sleep apnea.
When we sleep, the air passages shrink and become blocked eventually. In some people it will be a mild narrowing, in some people it will be complete obstruction so that the air won't get into the lung from the air passage.
Common methods of treatment include sleeping on breathing machines and surgery to enlarge the airway.
Because the surgeries can come with complications and there can be issues to deal with post-op, and because the equipment could be cumbersome, it'd be nice to have a simplistic solution.
Working toward that end, a new jaw supporting device has been designed to help reduce snoring and the symptoms associated with obstructive sleep apnea. It works at retraining the tissue and muscle around the mouth to stay closed while sleeping.
Ultimately, it's just helping you keep your mouth substantially closed while you're sleeping. It's keeping the jaw substantially supported so it can't collapse backwards and your tongue can't collapse back and close off your air. It doesn't work for everybody. It's not a cure-all for obstructive sleep apnea, but we have a very high success rate.
I guess I was thinking I was not getting enough sleep at night, waking up constantly, so I just figured I would have it checked out. They found out I had sleep apnea, and the device does help out a lot. Seem to get up and feel just fine in the morning, whereas I'm not near as tired as I used to be.
In the limited pilot study that we did that involved 11 patients, we had very positive results with the majority. And the patients have reported that they have been feeling better. And this technology has great potential.